So I'm unboxing my tripod stand, K28 tripod stand. It's a 5 feet tripod stand. It was delivered from Jumia. So let's unbox it together. So I'll be unboxing it here. Let's see what's inside. I've been longing for this tripod stand for a long time now. I got it as one of my birthday gifts. I need to open it up. The first tripod stand I had, I unboxed it in a particular video which I will be attaching to this video after now. It's actually a table tripod stand and I can hold it fitted in my hand, but it's not long. It's not fitting to stand alone. So this one I'm getting now can stand on its own, and it's K28 tripod stand. You can see I'm happy to have it already. So let's unbox it together. So it comes with a manual which you can read through. You can see how long it will be. So let's go. Wow, long awaited tripod stand. It comes with a Bluetooth shutter and can easily flip through the phone holder, and so beautiful. Yeah, so let's go. Wow, so you can actually use like this as a tabletop, or we move on. So let me show you how long it is anyways, but definitely you can use it as a selfie stick. You can use it as a selfie stick. I'll be showing you also a light I had before now, which I will be attaching here. You can actually attach a light here, so I'll show you that soon. Definitely use it on the table as I mentioned earlier, or we elongate it. It's a 5 feet tall. So I will try the Bluetooth shutter now with the phone. So this is how tall it is. It's very tall and you can move it around. You can bend this. It's a good buy. It's a good buy, and I'm happy to have it now. You can actually move it around. You can attach your light here. I'll show you my light. I have the light in my former unboxing, so I will definitely use it. But if you don't have a light before, you can attach it here. So you can move it around. This is how tall it is. Wow, I'm not even done. Wow, it's so tall. You can see, so tall. It's so durable and fitted. You can see I'm making a video with it. Yes, let me get the phone to try it on. So you can definitely use the phone like this vertically. You can see that it's almost my height. So you can use it like this vertically, or use it horizontally to film, and it can definitely move around, and that's why I love it. And definitely move it around. And definitely move it around as much as you want. You can pick up the phone. So anyhow you want to position your phone, it's good to go. Definitely, like I said earlier, you can use it as a selfie stick to take pictures. It's very handy. It's very handy. So now let's try to make use of the Bluetooth shutter. For us to use the Bluetooth shutter, we have to turn on the Bluetooth shutter. So once it starts blinking, you connect it with your phone. So you locate your Bluetooth, press down your Bluetooth. You want to pair it. So pair new device. We are trying to pair the phone with the Bluetooth shutter so that taking pictures and video will be much easier without asking for anybody's help. So once the Bluetooth pairs, you just go to your camera, start taking pictures, start taking videos, and that is it. Yeah, you can use your remote to start up your video, which I'm doing now. I use it to start up my video. Then this is the light I had from my former unboxing. You can see the video after now. The first kit I bought when I started content creation. Then this is the light. It's using battery, so the battery is actually a bit low now. That's why it's like this. So you can definitely make it more brighter. So you can attach the light to this screw, but this particular light doesn't come with screw. It came with its own kit, which I use it like this to screw on the particular kit which it came with. But presently now I can actually just put it up here like this to take my selfie pictures or videos. Or if it's standing in its full length, I'll just attach it like this and move it around a bit to make sure the pictures and videos come brighter. But you can definitely buy an extra light to put in here, but the light must be fitting to this place. You will buy the one that will fit to this particular place. But I will be using my other light that I had before now, just in case I need more brightness in my video and my pictures. So that is all about this. It's a beautiful bike. Like I said earlier, you can do well to rotate it. Yes, this is a good buy if you actually want to start content creation, or you just want to use it for yourself to take pictures, to do videos for yourself, for family, so that you won't get to call any other person to help you. Just put it up. It's 5 feet tall. You use your Bluetooth shutter, which I used earlier to start this video. You just use it, then you kickstart. So it's okay. Then I said earlier on that if you want to start content creation, you don't need to start from the biggest of all equipment. Start with the smallest that you can afford. Then as time goes on, you get it. Just like I said, that I started with the one I can use on the table. Just put it on the table. It's okay, fitting for the table. Then also handy, which I'm using presently. Is handy, but presently I want the one I can stand on from the ground to my eyes when I'm sitting or when I'm standing up, and this definitely did the great magic. It actually give me the change that I need for now. Going forward, as I progress in this journey, I will get more equipment, which I'm trusting God that I should grow in this channel. I should grow in capacity, in numbers. Will definitely get more equipment to make my video more brighter and more having more quality. So it's a good buy. It's a good buy. It's a good buy. It's a good buy. Thank you, Ma, for gifting me this. As I said in my, if you have not watched my celebration video for my birthday, which was some videos, okay, you can actually see it in my live stream. I did it live stream. You definitely see it. That was where I showed it first. It's a gift for my birthday from my sister-in-law. I appreciate you so much, Ma. God bless you. Yeah, so if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're watching it till now, please do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe to Heritage Mama's YouTube channel. I talk about motherhood, marriage, and relationship. So please do well to drop a comment for me. Share this video to anyone that wish to get this particular product or looking forward for any recommendation for a tripod stand that is handy, durable, for beginners, even for personal use or for content creation. K28 is affordable and also fits for your bag and easy to carry along. See you again. Thank you for watching. God bless you.